In this demo, we will take a look at what happens after an absence has been recorded using the Staff Relay Employee Absence Notification System. Using absences recorded in previous chapters of this demonstration, we can see how quickly notifications are provided. Take notice, all of the details from the absence is included in the email notification. This email is provided to the distribution list provided by the client and notifies those who need to be aware of the absence. Notifications can be sent to occupational health and safety should an employee have noted their reason as injury at work, EAP providers should the employee reach a threshold of absences set by the client and requires assistance, or any additional triggers the client wishes. This notification is instant and provides the ability for proactive absence management and the ability for organizations to seek replacement personnel prior to the shift commencing. Wondering what happens to all of this information once it's recorded? As an administrator with access to data collected, you will have the ability to run various detailed reports. For quality assurance for our clients, we provide an absence job lookup. This is used to verify the data provided to us is correct for the employee and the system is transferring and alerting the appropriate people. Entering our test employee's number, we can then verify the default job is correct. In this case, it is listed as licensed practical nurse at testing room, testing hospital. When the default is chosen, the system then provides me a snapshot of what we would have for details on who gets alerted by email and who gets the direct transferred phone call. Moving along to the main screen, we can see all of the reports available. In this case, we're going to choose Absence Export Report. This report is downloadable and provides a complete report of every absence recorded through our systems. Choosing a start date of January 1st and an end date of January 17th, you'll notice populates on the right, and clicking Generate Report, it then becomes available below. The report is accessible using Excel and provides me all of the information recorded within the time frame requested. You'll notice the dates of January the 6th to the 17th for all of the absences recorded is showing. Information that we are provided by the client, such as labor agreements, location codes, are all available in this downloaded sheet along with the absences recorded during that time period. This export is highly useful for clients generating their own internal reports. Another useful report is the Absence Report Summary. This report provides information on absences based on specific employees, departments, and dates. For this demonstration, I will select today's date. You will notice the system provides me a snapshot report on the absences recorded today. Specific details are made available, such as confirmation number, the exact time of the report, and the employee name and reason for the absence. If I want to report by employee, I would click on the Employee button, enter an employee ID. In this case, I'll use our test employee 9999, and a report will appear for this specific employee. As this is our test employee, a number of reports will appear, 535 to be exact. Depending on the client's requirements, we'll restore absence data for the length requested. Again, because this is our demo employee, we have data available from November 2009. Returning back to our main screen, we can see that we've seen the absence job lookup, which is used for checking the quality of the data on the system, absence export, which provides a complete export of absences within selected date ranges, and absence report summary for reports by date, department, and employee. Let's look at the call detail report. This report provides information on the numbers calling into the absence system. If I wanted to run a report from January 1st to the 17th and search for people who called in from a 780 area code, I will be able to get a report on that criteria. Notice the time and duration is available here and handy for managing employees that are calling from outside the normal job location. Pressing View Log provides me a detail on what occurred when the absence was recorded. It's an additional fail-safe for checking the system and data entered by the employee at the time of the call. If the administrator requires more detailed information on the absences recorded, we have provided the Absence Detail Report. This report is handy for managing the data based on specific information, such as employees, reporting method, absence type, and absence length. Using January 1st to the 17th as an example, and looking for a report by employee 9999, I'm able to search based on different things. If I knew the employee's name, for this case, I will use caller ID and area code 780. All of this is optional criteria. Leaving the report methods as all, you'll notice that only 2 reports are returned. If I remove the area code and the employee ID criteria, requesting only absences with 2 shifts, then only 1 report returns. If I wish to switch the criteria for employees that have taken 5 shifts off, only 2 reports return. Now, removing all the criteria but the date, you'll notice there are 11 reports, one of which has updated a returned work date. We may also provide more detail on the report. By clicking Get Full Detail button, this provides additional information on how the system acted and who was alerted at the time of the call. Using the client data, we show where the call was transferred. This is based on date and time, job or site, and location. We can also see the list of people notified by email. Finally available at your fingertips. An organization can have transparency on absences. Reports that once took weeks to obtain through payroll systems are now available real-time. Obtain reports by employee, departments, selected date ranges, and absence reasons. Absences recorded by the employee ensure there is no delay in reporting and ensuring the correct people are notified. Stop waking up and wondering who's off today. Know before you get into work. Know that you're adequately staffed prior to getting in, and provide early and appropriate assistance to employees who may require benefits. Complete transparency at your fingertips, real time, all the time. If you're interested, call us at 1-888-364-3642 and ask for sales. This concludes the demonstration of the Staff Relay's Employee Absence Notification System. Thank you for joining us.